Good morning, everybody. Or, well, it's not morning in the slightest, but good time to everybody in chat. I should switch it to the intermission screen because I am a professional. So, I thought today that we could do some game development because I kind of like doing this. It's fun to show the process of what it takes to make a game, and it's fun to have people come in here and have Arcade telling me to suck penis. So I thought that I would do this, but as you all know, Squeen 2 is done. It's out. You should go get it. It's free. bit.ly/SqueensAdventure2. And I'm working on a new game. So, oh yeah, if you don't know about new game, it's called Click for Catch. It's a clicker game. Because I've had this idea for, let me look at when the first incarnation of Click for Cash was made. So the very first was made in June 10th, 2021. That doesn't, oh yeah, May 7th, 2020. Even then, that seems not right. Feels older. Maybe that's just a different thing. Oh, here's the Click for Cash beta. The old beta. This one's saying, okay, I think this is when the folder was created. So yeah. May 7th, 2020 at the very least. So, a month after Squeen's Adventure 1. Or, yeah. Wait. January, February, March, April, May. Yeah, a month after I made Squeen 1, I decided to go for a clicker game, which I never made, sadly, but now I am. I've had a good run of old ideas that I really want to do and actually making them. I had Squeen's Adventure 2, which that took ages to make. The first one was pretty much made or started development after Squeen's Adventure 1, but that never got made. And Click for Cash, of course. and Kip even. So, I say, let's get right into it. Hang on, let me... Okay, this should work. Yeah, that works. Alright, so this is what we're working with. Let me turn desktop audio on just to be sure. Actually, I need to open up Discord really quick. I don't want you seeing anything that you shouldn't. Alright. Back to the streaming room. So, what I've gotten done now is, let me show you. Takes a second to pop up on screen because it doesn't detect anything. And then it should. There you go. Alright, so current cache 101. Yeah, this is it. It's nothing too... Oh god, I tabbed out. It's nothing too spectacular. This is pretty much what you've seen. I posted some screenshots on Game Jolt and Itch. And IGDB, or whatever it's called. I made all the... There's like a thing ran by Twitch that like catalogs all the games. Or every game, something like that. And I put Jupitr Entertainment and all its stuff. And yeah, I just put this one in. And yeah, you can go check out the link, IGBD or something like that. Just search up Jupitr Entertainment, click for cache, it should show up hopefully. But yeah, this is what we're working with. And here's the shop. It's 3 things. The first one, or this is actually the first one, increases the amount from each click by 1. It's currently each click equals 1, which if you buy that, actually let me cheat a little bit. If you buy that, now every click is 2, and current cash per click is $2. So once I click this, yeah, I get $2. And then the second one, which is technically this, because this is the third one, increases the amount earned from each button click. That's a misspelling. Each button click by 2. So if I were to buy that, it takes... Okay, so right now it's $4. If I were to buy that, it would be $4 because it multiplies that by 2. And then this, it adds $1 to your amount every 10 seconds. So right now it currently adds $1 to my account every 10 seconds. So if I were to buy that, now it gives me $5 every 10 seconds, which rounds to 50 cents a second. Of course, it doesn't give you 50 cents a second. It gives you $5 every 10 seconds. So, yeah, I'm thinking of making... Actually, what I'm thinking of doing is I'm making an upgrade that gives you that $5 every 5 seconds, and then you can... What's the word? You can upgrade it, and it'll divide that by 2. Actually, no, I can't do that. You can't divide an odd number. Maybe if it was 8 seconds I could, but I'll figure it out later. I'll change it. This is all in-game. This text isn't like assets. Okay, so here's what we got done. I just got done making the save game. Actually, let me... Oh, you weren't meant to see that. Okay, you're not meant to see this either. Alright, so if I were to go in here and go through, here's clicker. This is where the save game's located. If I were to delete it, then I go back here. I don't want to stop it. Nothing's happened. Then if I start it up, if it show up, there's nothing here. And then all the shops are reset back. So if I click a little bit, I get 20 bucks. Oh yeah, the first one's 50. God dang it. Fun game. I mean, Arcade played it last night and he got to 1 million with no cheats, which I commend him. If I buy this, yeah. Why does it only add 4? Let me change that actually. Where is shop? Upgrade 3. Yeah, let's change this. So don't add 4, add 10. No, 15. Oh god, what did I do? Yeah, add 15. So right now there's only 1 room, which is probably what it's going to stay at. So here's the... There's where you play. The shop's over here, and then settings. I have not programmed right. The only thing that happens when you click the settings button is this menu pops up, and even then, barely works. So, speak of the devil, I made a new settings menu, which I'm just gonna show something. Settings 3. Here it is. Yeah, there's a new settings thing. I'll have to delete these and delete that because they're not needed. So now, what should happen? Arcade, yo, what's up? How's life? So now if I click it, okay, it looks good. There is a problem though. You can click the button. See, current cache is 8, and if I click where the button would be, it's 20. So so basically what I did is I accidentally hard-coded it. You can barely hear me. Uh-oh. Oh, I know what's wrong. Turn this up a little bit. Now you should, maybe a little bit more. Alright. I think, okay, barely hear me is the wrong word. Because you can 100% hear me. I can see it. In fact, actually, ow. I hit my hand on my desk. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so now pretty much all I need to do is I need to make an option to make this full screen and not full screen, and then a delete save thing, and we should be good. Now, here's where you can cheat in game development. I have already programmed a full screen option and delete save option in another game. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna yoink the code from that, put it in here, boom shakalaka ding dong, we're all good. Don't show that. Jesus Lord. Aha. Alright, actually I need to remake, or actually, should I remake these? Yeah, I'm gonna remake these. So what I'm gonna pull up. Should the settings button be a square or a circle? Like if you were to press this to initiate full screen, would you want it to be a circle or a square? I think it should be a square. And I have the say in things because I am the one developing it. So let's go with, what colors should we go with? What colors? No, I don't want that. What colors would look nice with this? What colors? Circle? Alright, I guess fine. You loser. Now I'm not gonna listen to you. This is my game. This is how I roll. It's gonna be a rounded square. What color should it be? Maybe white? No. Yellow? No. Maybe. We'll see how. Let's see how yellow works. See, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna make the radius like 25 something, and then make this 25 too. No. Thought this was your game. Why ask me to come? Because, okay, sometimes you need help. And the only people you can turn to are your friends. And you give some bad colors anyway. 35. To figure out a color. Maybe white? I'm not sure. Let me like try to visualize it. Cryon button. Yes, cryon button. Alright, hang on. Cryon button. Where's the goddamn menu? You can't see that. Sorry, arcade. My bad, girl. Yeah, let me open up the crayon folder. Oh, look at that. I opened it up right on the fly. The power of the Elgato Stream Deck. Alright, yeah. There you go. Perfect. Ugh. Alright, what are we doing? I'm gonna see how this looks. Okay, not final in the slightest. Does that look good? Of course it won't be this. There will be a way bigger outline. I'm not sure. There's a part of me that likes it, but a part of me that wants it to be, you know, more extravagant. I think for right now, the safe option, we'll keep it at that. So what we're gonna do is we're also gonna do that. Also gonna do that. And then we're going to do something like this. Hang on, let's stroke it a bit more. That sounded wrong. Something like that. Oh yeah, that's good. So what I kind of want it to be is that... Actually, let me just draw it right now. It's easy. Have an X. And have a circle. It doesn't make it beefy, I don't care. Have some like this. If I could have some like that. Okay, I think that looks good, but I'm also gonna stroke it a whole heck of a lot more. Oh yeah, okay. Alright. I'm seeing how you do. That looks off center. Am I insane? That looks off center. Wait, let me back up. Okay, that looks on center. But if I do this, that looks on center too. You know what? I don't care. I don't think people would care too terribly much. So, what I'm going to do... Actually, no. What am I doing? Okay, yeah, keep it like that. And then just make it box unticked. Then we just unhide this layer. And then box ticked. There you go. That's all graphic design takes. Delete those, go back in here. And let's just create a new sprite. We need these two, that and that. Haha! It works. Box full screen. That's not how you spell screen. Alright, that looks good. We'll make it smaller in the thing. Alright, let's go. Shop is done, pretty much. Let's just go into settings. Actually, why don't I put that there? Because that's important. Create box full screen. There you go. And then I just make settings, that and that. Now, if I were to journey into... If I were to journey into this... and steal the code from screen 2, if I can find it. There's a lot of object here. I passed it. There you go. Oh, full screen checkbox. Alright, there's a create event. Thankfully, with this code, you can pretty much just copy and paste. Okay, I don't need that, since I'm not doing controller support for this game. Left press. Do that. Go back into the main room. Oh, box full screen. That's big. That's a big box. All we need to do is why can I not zoom in? There you go. Just make it 0 point. That should shrink it down a considerable bit. Oh, perfect. Oh, okay. I'm living like Larry. Okay, this is good. Somewhat. So what I need to do is settings icon. Nope, that's the S. I need the actual button, not just the sprite. That's not. Please, bro, let me in. Right, step. Settings menu. Okay, so it's not bringing in anything else. So I need to bring in. Oh, settings. Or no. Oh, box. Full screen. And then I just need to do this. 1920. I think that works. Could be very wrong though. But if I click this button and it goes not full screen. Okay, it's going. Why is oh yeah! I didn't configure it properly. God dang it. Okay, yeah, right now it's just going for some reason all the way over here. So I'm gonna get this, and I'm also gonna get this, and I'm just gonna get the X from it. 704. X is 704, and then maybe. Haha. So hopefully that works. Actually, what I need to do. Wait, no, I don't want to do that. I want to do that here. And then in here, the X is that. I'll just copy that down. And now, it should show up in the right spot, in the right place. So, okay, this is it. This is it. Okay, it's unticked. It works! It's windowed now. Look. Look at it. Oh, God, I screwed it up. And then I can just... Oh, God, epilepsy warning. I'm so glad that the display capture didn't capture that, because I just accidentally flashbanged so many people. And I can just do that. And then, if I don't want that, untick the full screen. Wait for it to show up. Okay. Hit the settings button. Do that, do that, do that. And now Arcade can be happy, because he's the one that begged me to put full screen or windowed mode in my game. Both games, actually. Screen and click for cash. I need to open up Twitter, so I'm gonna hide my screen so that you guys can't see my porn. I don't look up porn on my computer, okay? Okay, I'm very glad I did that, because there's women in very... Okay. Where is... Of course, I open Twitter and I see this. God dang it. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I'm opening up Twitch. And see. Okay, yeah, it works. Let's move on. Stupid. Why was that the first thing? That was like the first thing that popped up. I barely I barely scrolled my wheel down. And out popped that. So now, what I need to do is I need to... How do I... Actually, wait, let me go here. Delete, save, left press. Okay, yeah, how do I... Delete, Y. If it's pressed, it... File. Okay. That's surprising. That's scarily easy actually. Okay, so I'm just gonna create an object. O, save, delete. And a sprite, I need like one of those throwaway sprites that you don't think too much about. What color were you thinking, chat? My favorite color, I don't know if you know this, is red. That doesn't seem like red. That seems like weirdly light for red. I mean, I know, but okay, that's red. Save, delete. That's how you spell. Okay, I didn't know if I was spelling it right. All right. So I'm just gonna throw that up here. Actually, no, check on settings, because that's what it does. Settings, save, delete. Oh wait, no, I need to make that translucent. Or, yeah, turn down the opacity. I hit the mic. God dang it. Okay, that's good. And then, save, delete. Just do some like that. And then if you were to click it, which I get that, you want to just wipe your save. I fully get that. Draw mouse, left press, and do that. Now, if I were to... Oh, yeah, that's not it. It should be this. Yeah, if you were to download Click for Cash and click save and click delete save, it would delete your Squeens Adventure 2 save. Awesome. Alright, that should work. I don't know what happens if you were to delete your save in the middle of a game, because usually in... Because in Squeen, I made sure that if anything happens, no matter... I would just close the game, just in case anything bad happened. So if I were to do this, and I were to go in here, I would press delete save. Okay, yeah, it would do that, and then the next time I boot it up... No? What? Oh yeah, I know why it's not working, because I didn't... Yeah, I wonder why the button... I wonder why it's not working. Maybe if you actually program the button to, you know, go in the place the button needs to go, it would work. O, save, delete, X equals, where's the X need to be? The X is 704, which is the same as that. And then if I were to do a little something like that, and then do a little something like that, what's the X? X is that. Same exact thing as this. Actually, oh god, no, don't do that. Probably just do that. Save, delete. Alright, now it should work. Oh yeah, also I knew it shouldn't work because I didn't hide the save delete thing. I didn't make sure it didn't show up. Okay. Now let's work. Now let's see if it works. Alright, showed up. Press the button. Then you delete the save. Alright, and now what I imagine if you close the game and go back in. Oh yeah, I know why it's not working. Because it's just reading this. It's just reading what's currently popped up on screen, and then it's saving that, so that you you deleted your save, but your save just gets remade, pretty much. Okay. I know what to do. Just end the game. Just end it. I don't care. I'll, like, make a warning screen like, hey, are you sure you want to do this? I'll make it full screen. Are you sure? It would be like, hey, are you sure you want to do this? I'll make that later, but for right now. Now that should work. Because it doesn't have time to save the stuff. And also, the file gets deleted. Currently has nothing, equals 1, boom, shaka, laka, bing, dong. Wait, I just realized, why did I add 4 to my account? I don't remember clicking the button. Did I do something wrong? Okay, we'll just wait. Okay, I don't think. Okay, I didn't know if it deleted the like auto clicker thing. I just wanted to make sure. Alright. Yeah. So, it works. Alright, time to release this game. I'm kidding. No. There is still a whole heckin' of a lot I want to do. Right now, I still need to make the achievements. Actually, let me pull up the achievements that I have. Or the names, at least. They're not final names, but they're, like, what I'm thinking right now. So, the first one, I'm gonna have, like, money goals. And then after the money goals, I'm gonna also have, like, upgrade achievements, too, maybe. And then once you get, or, actually, I think I'm gonna make, like, I want to make, like, a ascension thing, where it costs, like, $1 billion to reascend, but then once you do that, it resets everything, but your clicks from the very start are doubled. So you get there quicker, get the achievements faster, then you can reascend quicker, and then it works when you press the button, and then, yeah, and then at that point you wipe your save. That's what I hope. So right now we got hitting $1 is in the Empire business, which is a funny Breaking Bad reference. If you don't know. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, if you don't know, it's when Jesse asks Walt if he's in the meth business or the money business, and he says neither. I'm in the Empire business. So, yeah, Breaking Bad reference. Of course, I had to do it. And then 100, you can buy a TV, because at $100 you could probably buy a cheap TV. And then $1,000, almost there. Then 100,000 is you could retire. And then, of course, 1,000,000 is Arcade's specialty, because he's the first person to hit $1 million, but he kind of had like an unfair start because he's my friend and he play tested it. And then $1 billion is overachiever, and I'm struggling, and I don't know what I'm gonna make the trillion achievement called. Let me think for a quick second. I have an idea. It's lazy, but actually no. Ultra money money maker. That's a good name. Super Mario Maker. It's not Super Mario Maker. God dang it. Alright, there's all the dollar achievements. I don't want to go past I can't speak. I don't want to go past $1 trillion because is that a trillion? 100,000 100,000 million billion 100 trillion. Okay, so would this be, wait a minute, thousands or hundreds? Thousands, millions. Okay, that's 100 billion. So this would be a million. Yeah, that's a million. This is 100 million, or this is 100 billion. Okay, so yeah, if you were to get to $100 trillion, I'll send you a $50 gift card. But it has to be like streamed on Twitch, so I know that you didn't cheat. I'm not sending you a $50 gift card. Maybe I'll send you a 50. I'll send you a personalized letter. How about that? A personalized letter. That sounds pretty good. What was I doing? Oh, of course, the train rolls past. Well, everybody, give a second for the train that delivers who knows what. I will be right back. Alright, we're back, everyone. Welcome back. Actually, after that, you should beep the horror for a second. Alright, shut up. Stop peeping the horror. I wonder how many people get that peep the horror reference. It's a German reference. I don't think anybody knows it. Okay, yeah, no, make that visible. And, what's next? Oh yeah, I want to make like an achievements thing. So, actually, no, what I want to do is, I'm gonna make this button invisible. I'm gonna make the shop button invisible so that you only have one thing to click, and then when you click that, like, 10 times, the shop, like, unhides itself. And then the first achievements show, or the first upgrades show up. So basically, this gets hide, and then when you click this bunch, it unhides. Then it shows this, and it shows this one achievement. And then once you buy one of those achievements, this achievement comes into, it unhides. And then once you buy one of those achievements, this achievement shows up. I'm bad at explaining things, but we'll get through it. Alright, so let's program that. It's easy. Actually, it's kind of easy. It's not super easy. So left press. Actually, I should have like a control. I should have it in the controller. I need a step event. Begin step if global.money. That's not money is less than, no, greater than or equal to 10, and then OCFC shop button dot is it visibility? Visible is equal to true. There you go. I think that works. Hang on, let me hide. I don't need this shortcut anymore. Actually, I probably will, considering I use it to, okay, yeah, wipe the save, and see if this works. So what it should be doing is it should not show this. Okay, well, you can still click it. Oopsie poopsie. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it pops up. So instead, what I actually want to do is what I could do is I could just, where's UI? No, I don't want the settings button, I want the shop button. Alright, I want to make this not that. So, if I were to actually, wait. Brilliant idea. $11.20. Wait a minute, no. Wait, what? Oh, okay. I see what you're doing. Okay. So y is equal to 0 because when you start it, the y is equal to 1080. So it's not there, and therefore you can't click it. So let's see if that works. God dang it. I forgot to wipe the save. Okay. Bear save. You can't click this. There's nothing here to click. You get 10. It doesn't show up. Why? Why don't you show up? I don't understand. Oh yeah, it's still it's stuff like this that makes game dev such a doo-doo kind of experience, because you're sitting there, you're like, why is this thing not working? And then you realize, oh yeah, it's because I was testing something out and it didn't work and I forgot to set it back. Okay, so now, okay, yeah, it shows up now, but I don't want to open up Spotify. I'm actually gonna get I'm gonna pop a hemorrhoid. If you boot this up, god dang it, full screen. Okay. Wait a minute, why have you added money? God dang it, I don't know what to say. I want to make sure my game is working. Okay, $0. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. Okay. Ooh. And then the person playing this is like, ooh, a shop. Ooh. 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 Okay, actually it would be so it'd be so sucky to, you know, unhide each of these and hide their text. I'm just gonna, if you the shop pops up, ooh, it's all there. That's awesome. And then if you were to start the game back up, since it all saves, okay, the shop button is still there. Oh, look at that. Perfect. And you get $50. I'm trying to click this as fast as possible. You click that, boom. Get 10 cents a second, or $1 every 10 seconds. Ow, I hit the mic. God. Alright. We're good. We're good. The stream keep rolling because it can. Now. I just had a really good idea. I was thinking maybe there was like a transition in so that the button doesn't just pop up. Instead of like fades in or something. Maybe. I'll figure it all out later. I don't know. Alright, main room. What am I trying to do? Alright, you click for cash. That's all fun and games. Oh yeah, achievements. Should I have the what should the achievements button look like? So it needs to not need to be there. Okay, just delete all this. I don't care. Probably not going to redesign it. Maybe. Just maybe. What did I have the old settings button in the original click for cash look like? Achievements. Okay, it was purple and it looked like that. Actually, what we could do, I could show off the old click for cash new games. Yeah. Alright, so here's the beta. Let's just do this. Version 3.0. Okay, apparently this is 3.0. 10, 19. Okay. So this is the beta. Look at that. Then you start the game. Boom. Okay. I played this before, and it jump scared me heavily. This makes sound. So prepare your ears. Actually, no, you can't hear the sound. Pretty sure that makes sound. This red button was the shop. Settings button was the oh, it does work. I was about to say it doesn't work. You can save the game. That doesn't work. Oh yeah, I should probably tell people I'm like we're gonna get epilepsy. Here's this. Oh god, that's horrid. That's better. Now see, the reason I didn't continue this was because every time I clicked, because when you click the button, there was like a reload timer, it kind of felt like, where you can't just rapid fire click the button. Sometimes it would hitch. Yeah. Anyway, what was I talking about? Oh yeah. Five Nights at Freddy's. So, what I'm going to do... Actually, how am I going to do this? Should I have a separate room? I think I should. Actually, no. Actually, if I were to go to a different room... Hang on, let me run an experiment here. I'm just going to create a new room. And then a controller. I can just, just comment that out. Okay. Room. Restore. Go to. Next. So, let's run a test. If I were to click this button. Okay, great, the shop popped in. Click that, boom. And if I were to go to a separate room. What do you mean, dude? What do you mean? You can't find the shop button. Well, you shouldn't need to. Alright, so that means separate room is off the table. Cool. I'm getting rid of this. I'm getting rid of this mechanic. That's so stupid. I hate that. There you go. I'm tired. I hate that mechanic. It just looks so bad. Alright. It's presented in front of you. Okay? Great. Cool. Awesome. I don't care. We're cool. We are calm. And we are collected. What am I doing? This stream does not have a direction. Let me move all of, like, the controller stuff to not over here. Oh my god. It's all on separate layers. Why would I do that? Kids, don't make a game. You'll lose your way. Alright. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start designing the achievements that I could do. So, what is my plan? Alright, I have a plan. Okay, so, ground. Don't. So I'm gonna do some. I'm gonna do a gamer moment. This is what we call a gamer moment. Okay, so this is not final. Don't worry about this. Actually, yeah, good. Re-cryon, please. I like it. Okay, so something like that. Okay. So then maybe we have like, no. What are you doing? We have a line of these. And then you can like hover over. Oh no. Actually, I don't know what to do. Alright, here, actually, I do know what we're gonna do. Hide all this. Actually, delete that. Where is... I kind of want... I don't know. Alright, chat. Well, it seems I have run out of ideas. So, what I think I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna end stream. So, actually, I'm tired. I'm going to bed. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. I'm out of ideas. I'm tired. And I'm hungry. Because I just need to feed off the... I need to feed off children. What am I saying, dude? Yeah, I'm going to end stream before I say anything ridiculous. Yeah, switch to the intermissions. Yeah, I'm going to get going. So, thank you all so much for tuning in. And I will see you all in the next stream. Peace out, everyone. Thanks for the good stream. Sorry I ran out of ideas. Whee! I forgot to mute my mic. Bye.